hats. So kaut din na. No, yang os. Ison mas no os. Yeah, basta. What's up guys? So, long time no see. So, ngayon, andito ako sa Bohol. This is kind of, I'm not really sure if this is a new, but you might have seen this some blogs or some channels or yeah, from other YouTubers or bloggers. And yeah, this is actually one of the tourist spots that you might have not aware here in Bohol. So this is the CADAPDAPAN rice terraces, the hidden jewel here in Bohol. Well, traveling here is really kind of struggle if you or do it yourself, but I would suggest if you have like a package or a person that knows some packages offers, so maybe you can grab it, because if you are doing it yourself, it's really kind of hassle and struggle. And yeah, I'm walking here the whole way. It's so mainit. And ngayon, tapos na kami mag-pictorial. So, papunta na kami ngayon sa waterfalls dito sa CANDIJAY, Bohol. This is I'm not sure if this is southern or northern part of Bohol, pero yeah, yun. So maganda siya, para siyang restaurant ng Benguet. And I'll see you later. Hi, so this is our second spot here in CANDIJAY, Bohol. So kanina doon kami sa rice terraces, ngayon waterfalls na naman. So yun yung CAN-UMANTAD falls, parang Matayupan or Kasaroro, pero madali lang yung ano dito, way. May motor naman siya, pero yung daanan snaky road lang, so careful lang naman. So yan, maliligo kami kasi ano, haggard na haggard oh. So,